Hi, Azza here. In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about how to edit photos on phone using the free Lightroom mobile app. Lightroom mobile make your life so much easier. This video cover more beginner level, and for the next couple tutorial, we're going to work on intermediate level. When you want to learn photo editing, free app is a great way to start. First thing first, you have to download Lightroom mobile app on your iPhone or Android device. For Android device, you can go to Play Store, search the Lightroom mobile and download it. After that, it's gonna ask you to create Adobe account. Don't worry, it's free. If you have an account, just sign in. So let's start. To add photo, go down here, there is a plus sign and tap on that and select your photo. And tap on add to add to Lightroom. And back here, open your photo. Down here, you can see comprehensive set of tools for you to enhance your photo. Also, there is some tools which has blue star on them. Those are premium that require payment. You can pay, but you can edit amazing photo with the free version too. What I usually like to do is to crop my photo to improve the composition. So tap on crop. You have so many options here. You can rotate your photo, you can flip it. Let's back to the normal. Perfect. What I usually do, first straighten the photo. Perfect. Now I start to crop from here. Good. From here. Perfect. I want to share this photo on Instagram, so looking for a specific aspect ratio for Instagram. 1:1, tap on that. Perfect. Tap on check button on top here, tap on that. Good. When you are new to editing with the Lightroom, it's better to use profile preset. From the menu, tap on profile. There is so many presets you can edit your photo. Anytime you do the editing, it's better to check the before and after of your photo. Just tap and hold on your photo like that. Check the before and after. So I don't want to do that. I want to edit myself. So close this one. So let's check out the light. Go here, tap on light. I want to control the brightness of photo. So on exposure, when you move the slider to the left, you get the darker image. You move the slider to the right, get the brighter image. I want a brighter image, so I move the slider to the right. I think this one, good. Tap on hold, before, after, good. So, and also I want to increase the contrast. I think this one is good. Next is highlights. Move a slider to the left to darken highlight and move a slider to the right to brighten and reduce detail. Totally it's up to you and based on your photo. What I like to do now for this photo, I like to darken the tone to maintain the detail. So I move it to the right. Go like that. Perfect. Double check the before and after. We are good to go. I think I need to set the black point of image. Down on blacks, move the slider to the right to highlight the darkened tone. Go here. Perfect. Now let's move to the detail. Go here, tap on detail. First is sharpening. Move right the slider to sharpen detail. Go like that to sharpening the detail. Perfect. Then reduce the noise. So go down to noise reduction to smooth out the noise. Move the slider to the right. Perfect. Double check before, after. Last thing is color. Color adjustment made our food photo even more delicious. So let's move to the color. Tap on color. I want a bit cooler photo. So on temperature, decrease the temperature to get the more cooler photo. Move the slider to the left a bit to get more cooler photo. Tap on before and after photo. Great. Also, you can play with the vibrance to get a more vivid color. So move the slider to the right. Perfect. That's cool. Photo editing is an experimental process. You can tap the undo button on the top anytime you want to undo your editing. Also, you can fully reset your editing. At the end of the adjustment menu, there is a reset button. You can totally reset your editing. Always compare before and after version of your photos as you edit, like that, before, after. Perfect. We are good to go. At the end, to show your photos on social media or save on your device, tap on share button on the top. Here you can share your photo to social media and save to your device or email. This is a really great application for photo editing. Now you can start editing your photo on your phone. That's so cool. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video and I'll see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe.